southwestern Washington County, northwestern Clay County, eastern Cloud County, until 9 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Aurora, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clyde, Clifton, Aurora, and Vining. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for northeast